Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Uh, Today I came online for a long time for discuss about the doubts. There are many students who comment me regarding the programming doubts while they are doing the program. They are struck some of the point. They are asking the doubts because I was busy with the work so that I couldn't answer it because there are many comments coming across my chat box. Um, Now I am available for clear up your doubts. So those who are online, please come to the live chat. You will be able to discuss your doubts. Hi, how do you have? Hi, have you go through my videos? What is the language are you learning through my videos? Can you tell about if you have any doubt? You just feel free and ask. I'm here to clear up your problems. Can you hear me? Sorry, Hub, because I'm not familiar in the Oracle database, right? So I'm familiar in the PostgreSQL and MySQL and MongoDB as well, but I'm not familiar in Oracle database. Sorry for that. Uh, is there any doubt? Do you have? Oracle, you can search from online. There are so many tutorials are there. You will be able to learn it because I'm not familiar in Oracle database. Is there any other questions? I'm recently uploading the video regarding point of sale system using Spring Boot and Angular. Back end using Spring Boot, front end using Angular, right? So if those who are watch that video, okay, so there are many students who ask me to develop the Spring Boot projects so that is easy for the assignment and as well. So that I have started the project using the Spring Boot and Angular. If you are studied up to end, you will be able to make the Spring Boot application very simple way. Okay, so the same time I'm regularly uploading the video regarding the Laravel projects. Okay, as soon as possible I'm going to use uploading the Laravel plus Vue.js. The backend I'm using Laravel, front end I'm using Vue.js, right? How to make the attractive web application developer, right? So and Node.js. No, I'm thinking about another language, Node.js. Is there any doubts? Okay, the problem is this. Okay, because I am not familiar in Oracle database, that's why I can't promise that to upload it. And because I'm not touch the Oracle database anymore. I never touch Oracle database yet. Okay, the thing is same, man. If you have developed the front end using the Java Swing application, the backend database, the same thing. You have to make the connection out the connectivity. You have to learn how the Oracle database connectivity there. The MySQL there is a connectivity. Okay, that's how to register the driver of the MySQL class dot phone. The same thing you have to implement the Oracle database as well. Right, that is not a that much of a problem. You just go through and check, but what's the driver? There should be the driver of the Oracle database in order to connect Java and Oracle. So that you have to go through that particular. You have to find that particular driver and put it. After that, you have to make the connection, right? So out the database your path of the Oracle database. So how the Oracle connectivities, how Oracle connectivities works. After that, how to work with the query, how to insert the record, insert into the we are using the SQL statement. You just search for the Oracle. Okay, that is not that kind of difficult, man. First, you have to install the Oracle database in your machine. After that, first you have to design your user interface of sewing application, some other. If you have to go for the JavaFX, you have to develop that one. Then you can just go through it how the connectivity works. Okay, we have connectivity. You can handle it. There is no problem. That is that much of a difficult. Only the flow. You know the flow well. How insert the data into the database. You don't know how to connect with the Oracle database. That's the only thing you need, right? Yeah, I am. Yeah, I am already teaching Flutter. Didn't you watch my Flutter videos yet? If you are not watch them, okay. Here, wait, man. Here, you go through it. We have done some project of Flutter, right? Flutter, how to make the currency converter, how to add two numbers, how to student marks calculation project, employee salary calculation project, simple inventory management system project. All the projects we have discussed about that particular tutorial. You just go have it. As soon as possible, I'm uploading the Flutter with Firebase, right? Man, I don't know, man. UI UX design, you can write Figma. That is the best tool for your developing your web apps application development, right? Otherwise, you can go to the Adobe XD. The third place is goes to the Photoshop. Those are the world famous UI UX design tools, right? You just go through the internet and you can search it, which is the best UI. Okay. Okay, Figma is a best one. I recommend Figma. You have a best tool for the designing purpose, right? Figma, I already made one video. You just go through it. The Figma. Recently, I have made the simple one. Figma is not that much of hard. If you know Photoshop, it doesn't matter. Very simple. Figma. The front end part, are you using desktop application or web application, or are you telling that in Java? That is the Oracle mean that is a database now. Web application. Web application you can go along with the Figma. I connect with the Spring Boot. Here, man, this is recently I am developing the point of sale system of Spring Boot plus Angular. You just click on this and watch them. Python Deacon project use of MySQL. Python projects, I have made the Python videos long days ago. Tkinter. Okay, so here you will be able to watch them. Nowadays, I'm not touching Python. If you want to work with the Python Tkinter, here I am give you the link. Okay, there are CRUD application. I made the CRUD application and everything. Simple application I have made through Python. Have you watched them Python through via my YouTube channel? No. Okay, I have done one school student management system using Python project. So here I'll give you some links. You watch them. This one you can watch them. The CRUD application using Python, using Tkinter, you can watch them. This one. Second one you can watch them. Okay, the Python. I'm giving you the full playlist for you. You can go this playlist. You can have it all my Python videos. You will be able to get it the links. Anything else? How to become a Python full stack developer? If you want to make the full stack developer, first you have to learn Python basics. If you are familiar in Python basics one up to the Tkinter level GUI application, after that you are moving to the Django framework. You have to study the backend process, how the flow works, right? How the model architecture work, MVC controller works, right? So the Django also I have made one video Django. You just go through it my Django video. Django, right? So Django, how to install the Django, how to make the RESTful API using Django, all things I have done it. Here this RESTful API, how the RESTful API work on Django here. You just go through it, this video, right? So after Django, the front end, go with your Java web application front end. You will be able to develop Django using Vue.js or Angular. Okay, Vue.js and Angular, you can make the application, right? So that one also there in my project Django, with Django. You can learn from it. Here, I'll give you every link. This is for Vue.js. Okay, so if you need a Django Angular, this is Angular. If you go along with the React, I'll give the React as well. I have done for 3 front ends, 3 different front end, Vue.js and React.js and AngularJS. So what is your choice? You will be able to go and watch it. Okay, these are made very important video if you learn from the Python, Django. Okay, so just go through it. Simple one. If you want to do out the Django installation, you have to learn from here. These are the links, right? Is there anything to clear? Backend process mean if you are familiar in the how to develop the API for the intelligent. If you are intelligent with making the API, you are the best developer. If company give the architecture to make the RESTful API, so if you have made the successful RESTful API, you are the best. There's no problem at all. Okay, man. I'm going to wind up now. All the best. Okay, man. Dinesh, okay. Thanks. Right? So, Dinesh, you go through these videos, okay? First, you must learn the very basic level of the WP concept of PHP, Python, okay? Without the WP concept, you don't go and learn Django, okay? Just a blank. You never work at the company, okay? Some other students are doing these things. They are even know how to, they don't know the concept of WP, how the encapsulation work, inheritance work, polymorphism work, and abstraction works. But uh, they move into the company, they are forward the company, okay? They suddenly sit for the interview and pass the interview, some other recommendation, and sit for the job. Ultimately, they are resign the job because if you are without the developer, you cannot develop the backend application. All the RESTful APIs working based on the WP hoop concept. Okay, if you are moving to the nowadays the company, all the backend architecture is developed by the hoop concept. So I recommended that you must learn the WP concept well in every programming language, Java or Python or Node.js. So everything you must learn WP. If your WP concept is clear, you will be the good programmer. The front end, back end is simple if you know, right? Okay. Thank you.